Grabe. So, if you're watching this, that probably means to say na today is our anniversary. Alam ko mukha akong banglay ngayon kasi hindi na talaga ako natutulog kakagawa. But, anyway, it was today. Today when you answered yes to me. Ngayon, yung araw na unang beses ka nag-chat. But actually, today is not the day na pinalo mo ako. That was actually September 5 and then May 5 at exactly 10:57 pinalo mo ako. So pinalo mo ako, alam mo ba, hindi maang-maangan pa ako. Sabi ko, sino ba itong mag-follow sa akin? Hindi ko naman ito kilala. Pero may hint na ako nun na ikaw yan. Actually, I've already told you this story, pero actually when medyo sad boy pa ako, you actually got my interest. Like, sino to? Pag ganun ako. Like, you're someone na hindi ko kilala and didn't expect to be someone with right now. Moreover pa, someone I didn't expect to spend 1 year with. We were the most unexpected thing that happened on last year, 2024-2023, September 2022 naging tayo, pero we actually started talking on May 11. And alam mo yan dahil nasa secret mo yan, nakahidden yan sa phone mo, alam ko. Jokes aside, I don't think anyone actually expected na magiging tayo talaga. I love you, Beng. Thank you so much for this 1 year. Paano naman ako nag-goodbye message? Anyway, thank you for this 1 year. You were one of the best things that happened to me. Boses ko. If you think about it, actually, sobrang dami na rin natin pinagdaanan. Pero time just go. Sobrang bilis lang. Like, imagine, parang kahapon lang na nagpapawinigan lang tayo sa notes. Pero, ayun. I want to thank you for being the best girlfriend I can ever have. I know, madalas iniisip mo, you're not much, hindi mo napapantayan yung ginagawa ko. But to be honest, sobra-sobra. Patas lang tayo, okay? Thank you for being my number one support system. Kahit na napakakulit ko sa'yo, lagi ka pa rin nandyan para sa akin. Thank you also for giving me a chance. Alam mo, gulat talaga ako ng grade 10 kasi with yung grade na yan, for me pero yun yung pinakamalala akong ugali. And for you na gustuhan mo ako habang ganun yung ugali ko. Grabe ka naman. Ano naman nagustuhan mo sa akin? So that's one question that always stayed in my mind during our early days. Since today is our anniversary, let's celebrate this special day. Okay? Wala mo na magtitipid. Wala mo na mag-iisip ng trabaho. Just us having fun again. I want to say sorry as well for all my shortcomings as your boyfriend. Sorry kung manipulative ko minsan. I'm well aware. Sorry kung madalas kong pinaparamdam sa'yo. Guilt, madalas kita nag-guilt trip. I know it myself. To be honest, hindi ko alam, tuwing nag-aaway tayo, there's just something so heavy lagi. And ayoko na matutulog tayo ng magkaaway. Ayoko na nag-aaway tayo tapos hindi naman natin naayusin. At not to be selfish na laging lahat ng ayoko na lang. And that's where another problem comes in na sorry kung ang indecisive ko. Alam ko na pag-usapan na natin ito na dito, okay lang sa'yo na mag-decide ako, pero I don't know, siguro na to ako lang ako, I don't know where and when, na pag gumagawa ako ng desisyon laging pumapalpak. So I don't want that to happen to you. Gusto ko lang sana ulit i-remind yung pinag-usapan natin yung natin labas. If I remember quickly, ang sabi ko, always prioritize your study before me, di ba? Ayaw mong maging katulad ni pangalan mo. Ni Premo. Ayaw maging pabigat sa'yo. Then, if you only see the way I see you, you're not just beautiful, smart, daming potential. May nagluluhan na ako. Please, have more trust, confidence in yourself. Promise, ikaw ang pinakamaganda sa kanilang lahat. Wala ka sa akin. Alam ko, hindi ako makapag-boses na malakas. Dahil, ito na lang. Super stress ko yun right now habang ginagawa ko to. I can't express myself, pero I hope that my actions speak louder. Speak, basta mas nakikita mo yung sa actions ko na I love you so much. Hindi kita ipagpapalit kung ano yung iniisip mo. Lagi kitang pipiliin. Bawat minuto, bawat oras, bawat gabi. Mahal kita kapag masaya tayo. Mahal kita kapag malungkot tayo. Mahal kita kahit galit ka sa akin. Lagi kitang mahal. And I hope you feel the same way for me. I hope we continue. Sana please. Ikaw na talaga. Pero let's both do our best in this relationship, okay? 3 days na ata nag-iPhone full storage yung cellphone ko dahil lang sa videos nito. Pero ano na ako, I know there are days na sobrang down ko, minsan going down, pero let's be there for each other. It's not always going to be 50-50 for us. May days din na sometimes I wish na ibibitan mo ako, ganyan. Just simple actions. Although, if you're gonna say na bakit hindi ko sabihin, it's just parang mawawala na ng sense kapag sinabi ko sa'yo. And it's not super gusto ko talaga. It's just, I just think of it sometimes. Another thing is sana huwag mo na akong taboy kapag nag-aaway tayo. Kaya please try to communicate with me a little more. Ano ba? Last na daw, ayoko nang ang dami ko na request. Pero please try to reciprocate. What? Hindi sa material. Like, for example, I'm so happy to chat. gusto na kita makausap. Then, bigla mo akong, alam mo yun, I get it sometimes wala ka sa mood. I totally understand that. Pero, sometimes, ano lang ako na gusto ko kita makausap ng todo, and then, you're gonna give me cold advice, which sometimes, and that would be the end for my message. Kaya, I know na wala naman siya sa haba ng sinasabi. Ewan ko. Pero, I'm trying to express the best of myself. And, I hope umiiyak ka na dyan. Pag di ka umiyak, wala. Pero, ay, may isa pa pala. I know na it's been a year. And, up until now, hindi pa ako alam ng parents mo. And it's totally fine with me, to be honest. There are times na, of course, naiisip ko na what we can do if kilala nila ako or what. Pero, I don't want to pressure you. I want you to be ready kapag napakalaman. I want to be ready. Gusto ko na may mapapatunayan ako sa kanila kapag ipapakilala mo na ako sa kanila. I know din pala na sometimes you feel ewan ko parang ayaw ka nila dito sa bahay. I totally understand. Pero for now, let's just try to understand that their point na bata pa nga naman tayo. Also, let's try to refrain from but yeah, I love you so much, Ashley. So I initially planned na kasama to sa may isa pa akong video, which is nagpa-play yung videos on my phone. Pero siguro hihiwalay ko na lang to kasi ang haba din. Yun lang.